All right, so I got the cues up, right? I'm gonna go over cues and SPY first. So tomorrow, I'm definitely bullish. We got I think I really don't care about the futures, but I believe they're green right now. Let me double check my yeah, the futures are green, small caps is red. All right, so tomorrow we looking like Qs could definitely test around 311, 312 before we could come back down because we already been on a little small bull run. As you can see, we have already 3 daily candles. We still look bullish here. That's why maybe we could go up to this RSI level before we get a rejection. So I'm bullish tomorrow on the Qs for sure. So I like, let's see where we could dissect the Qs real quick. Depending where we open. 308. I'll put a line here to see how we open tomorrow. So if I'm bullish on the Qs, I should be bullish on SPY as well.
So if you're bullish, Cam, you think if we open, wait for like a little pullback then?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot of space for the Qs to go up. So let me go and pull up SPY for y'all 1 second. So yeah, I expect at least we're gonna do another price level line over here 1 second. So I'll say we'll hit 310 at least, but I gotta see where we open. So, but I'm not bearish right now. Maybe we could sell off midday, maybe towards the end of the day, and then Tuesday we could be red. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Let me see SPY now. SPY. Okay, SPY line. All right, I don't need to do anything to SPY. These levels look good. Okay, so yeah, I expect SPY to visit these price levels tomorrow. Let me put up one more line though. Let me put one right here. I think this one is needed. So we got another one at 409 around there. So futures are green. So we might open up higher. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But I definitely like the market for the upside tomorrow. Not maybe a strong move, but upside, and then maybe we could sell off, I'll say. So we could watch SPY definitely once it goes above 408 to see what type of reaction we get. But it could definitely open up breaking Friday's highs from what I see right now. So let's see what happens. So I got let me go over Disney and Ulta. Someone asked, let me just get those out the way. So Disney, I got greedy on Friday, to be honest, team. I was up, but I was only up like maybe 2-3%. I wasn't satisfied with that. So I took I think 50% loss at the end of the play once it went down. But I rode Disney as much as I could, but it wasn't showing enough strength. Now, I still am bullish on Disney. I'm not bearish because it still broke. It was still breaking intraday highs. Like this was the major resistance zone on Disney. Oh, I'm sorry, on Disney, and it obviously broke and built candles above there. So I still see an upside move on Disney for sure. Now let me see how far we could go. And we gapped up on Disney as well a little bit. Nothing crazy, but we got a little space here for gap. So yeah, I believe Disney could definitely push up to at least 116 zone. The way the the features is looking right now. So I'm still bullish on Disney if some of the teammates is or members is still on Disney, and we already very strong here too, and it looks like it's already breaking this zone on the RSI. So really, there's only rejection over here. So Disney definitely still looks bullish for the person that was asking, and it's curling here too. So yeah, and I like this little consolidation price action, and then it finally broke out on Friday. So we might have called. I probably should have rolled over my positions for a swing, but I was already in a couple swings, so I didn't want to overtrade. So Disney still looks good. Now, let me check Alta. Someone said Alta. Okay, Alta. Alta looks bearish. And it's showing weakness on this upside right here. This is resistance zone, obviously. And we got a red candle. And this is already curling down. So it's showing a bearish divergence sign over here. And this as well is looking not as bullish anymore. So if for the person that was asking about Alta, I definitely see it dropping. I am not bullish. Now let me chart this out in front of you guys. Y'all can see where my head is at.
Yeah, Cam, I was thinking the same thing because I had told the group that it's kind of been riding the highs. It's pretty much at all-time highs right now, and it's been in the
I'm doing
four.
the obvious support and resistance, right, on the intraday. Then I'm gonna dissect it more on the weekly to see more or less how these levels are meeting up on the weekly chart. I do adjust them, but that's why I'm looking at the multiple time frames. I do the daily, I look at a monthly span or even 3 month span, and then you dissect it on the weekly to see where you want to get in. All right, so this is Alta, right? For the member that asks about Alta, I'm not. It's been moving to the upside a lot. All right, so let's go on to 15 now.
Yeah, it's bouncing off at this top
All
trend
right,
line.
so Alta could definitely go down all the way to at least 435 zone. But I'm gonna draw some more lines here. 1 second. Let me get a clearer picture for you guys. All right. So that line that I just drew, the 430, 438-ish, right? 438.24, yeah. 438.24. All right, that was another good bounce that Alta did right here. That came right back to VWAP. So this is another one right here, team. This is why you always got to look at the weekly and monthly. All right, so these levels on Alta are good. All right, so depending where we open tomorrow, but if Alta breaks this 438, to be safe, I'll say 438.30 is going down, or at least to, yeah, this price level I have 432. The reason I say that is because I preach to you guys a lot this resistance turn support. So this is a strong resistance area for Alta. So it could possibly use that as a bounce and go back up, because at the end of the day, Alta is still a solid company. It's doing great, as you guys can see. So I am bearish, but not obviously for the long run. Like this could be depending how the move is and depending where the drop is coming, but it could turn into a swing. We just got to see how the market's moving tomorrow, because we're gonna go down a little bit. We already had a couple daily green candles on the SPY and Q, so I know we're gonna go down a little bit. We just got to see when we are going down, basically. So a level that I wanted to talk about that I didn't get to talk about in SPY is we go down. I say we go back down to, if we stay above 400. So I like 401 or 402 as a good bounce for SPY. 401, 402. If we go down Tuesday or so, we start selling off. That'll be a good support. 401 or 402. And then of course it'll be 398 again, I'll say. Because 400 seems to be a zone. Yeah, SPY doesn't even reject a lot on, so I'm not even 400 doesn't matter to me. So 401, 402, it'll be a bounce on SPY. Okay, so that's my thoughts on Alta. For the member who asks, bearish. Diz, I'm bullish still. And I believe Disney got some news too. Let me see. So I saw. So this could be good or bad news on Disney. I don't know, but I saw on Disney they said, hold on. Disney CEO Chapek rejects call to spin off ESPN. But then Disney Cruise Line sailing to Australia and New Zealand for the first time. So that's good news, of course, but I don't think the ESPN thing is gonna bother Disney because we already heard something about ESPN last week. So maybe the cruise line sailing to those two areas will push it to the upside. So I got a few plays that I went over my watch list that I'm gonna go over with the team. All right, so everybody's really watching. Everybody's already watching Tesla this week, so I'll go over Tesla real quick. So everyone's gonna want to get in and out on Tesla to try to get the 300 calls, but I think we're gonna open up above 300 when it comes to Tesla. But Tesla's at a good zone. The only thing that worries me is we got a lot of green candles already on the daily, but RSI is ridiculously strong, to be honest. And look at this. So I'm gonna watch Tesla tomorrow with you guys. Let me see. So if we open up above Friday's high, depending where we at on pre-market, we could definitely get on Tesla. If Tesla decides to reject, we could either catch the bounce, the 298 bounce would be great, because then we could get like the 300 calls, or a 297. There's two bounce zones from Friday that could provide good entries on Tesla for the 300. I really want the 300 Cs. I don't want to catch it already in strength, so let's see what happens. But I'm definitely bullish on Tesla tomorrow, team. Looks really good. So if I'm bullish on Tesla, we could start looking at the other EVs like Ford, um what's the other ones? Rivian, etc. Stuff like that. Neo. They usually move together. So Tesla's a good play. So I would wait for that bounce, or if you want to take the break, I will have to wait until it breaks. Let me delete one of these lines. I don't need two lines there. All right, 1 second. All right, there we go. So this is 303.9, 303.36. All right. All right, so 30, yeah. If we go to 304, I would say 304.10, holding on 304.10, break and hold. We could easily go to 305, like maybe even 306, honestly. So
Yo, Cam, can you hear me?
yeah, I would. So those would be two entries: a bounce of 298 and 304.10 break and hold on Tesla.
I can hear you,
If I
Steve.
can get it here for y'all. 304.10 break and hold. Oh, yeah, Tesla. Tesla looks ready for tomorrow. So, other ones that I like are, I think semis might make a move tomorrow. So I'll watch some semis. The ones that look interesting. Let me see on my list. I think I'll put MU. MU. Yeah, yep, MU was definitely one. So MU is approaching a nice support demand zone. Like if we get a nice break, this thing could definitely go to 58 at least. Let me see. And Friday was the first bullish candle. Almost wasn't engulfing. Friday would have been the great entry on MU. Yeah. I mean, sorry, not Friday. I apologize. Team Thursday. Thursday would have been a great entry because that was a good bullish candle support. It finally went up. So we got. Hold on, guys. I think some people want to chime in. Oh, see. Where's C at?
What's good, broski? You can hear me?
I don't know, bro. I'm trying to unmute, but
Cam, you can hear me? Yo, yo,
all
yo.
right, you good now. You should be good now.
You can hear me? Hello, hello, testing.
You hear me, bro?
I
Yeah,
can
we
hear
can
you.
hear
Can you
you.
hear me?
I can hear you,
Text
Steve.
me if you could hear me. I'm gonna keep going. All right,
Hey, see if we can hear
MU
you,
for
bro.
sure. I
Candace can
like
hear you.
MU guys. So let's see. Dissect MU real quick. I can't hear you. Oh, I had my shit on me. Now,
Cam had everybody muted, bro.
yo, my bad, yo.
You're
Sorry.
good, bro. Nah,
I
you're
said he
good,
didn't want
bro.
to talk to peasants today.
Yo, right? I was like, damn, I got my license revoked, y'all.
Yo, I apologize.
Nah, you good, broski. You
Is
good.
I forgot that.
Back of the
I
bus.
I unmuted myself on Zoom, but then my laptop, I had the button mute.
Oh,
That's why I was so confused. I was like, what the?
got you,
Oh,
brother.
my laptop's on mute still. Got it. Okay. All right. Sorry about that.
Not at all, man. Thank you.
But yeah, bro, Ulta looks good for them puts, swing puts, like you said, it's at the top of his trend line that I've been eyeing, and it's at all-time highs, and it's just kind of been dancing here. So might get
Yeah.
some exhaustion soon.
Yeah.
In December puts, if you do want to swing it with me, December puts, they have hella high OI. So
Okay.
I can look into that.
Cool. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Thank you, bro.
All right. So yeah, man. So we could watch MU. We could watch AMD, of course. We could watch Nvidia. Um, let's see. So we got some nice. You know what? I like this price. I'm trying to get this. Not play with the wicks. This wicks are known to fake people out. So that looks better actually. Yeah. All right. So MU, right? It's already looking like it's gonna go towards might open. Where's it at after hours? 1 second, team. Let me put it up on my phone. I want to make sure it's not already above and after hours. All right, so now right now it's 57.40 is saying. All right, so yeah, once we get I say to 58, a build and hold, even though the features are up, so it might open up at 58, but I really like MU for a third daily candle build. I don't see why it should go down, to be honest, because right now we're at a good we're at a good zone. Look at this. This is one of the lowest points on AMU. I mean AMU's MU. This is already the what? 3 month. Yep. There's a nice little bounce zone on the 3 month span. So
With all these
go ahead.
with all these plays that you're bullish on, like MU and Diz, and let's say tomorrow SPY we open, let's say not a super gap up, but we open green. Would you recommend waiting for a pullback then, or what you think?
Yeah, I would usually when tickets break my level at pre-market, I just disregard it. I'm like I gotta like redo my levels all
Redo
over.
it? Yeah.
Yeah. I usually don't jump in or anything. That's why I'm like, honestly, I wish we could do these Zoom sessions in the morning because it'll be better because we could get a better picture of the market. But this is the best way I think we could do it for everybody. So if these levels break for me in the morning, I'm gonna obviously just disregard it and just I'll tell you guys like, oh, I'll see a new level, or I'll tell you guys, oh, I'm gonna watch a new level on Disney or Alta or something like that, or MU. But
Okay. Okay. Bet.
but let's see. We got I said 58. Yeah, so I would wait until MU gets at least to 58. But like I said, we still will go when we open tomorrow. But I like MU a lot. Um, earnings is not too far away, team. So it's this month. Okay, so I like let's look at Nvidia since we're talking about chips. Holy smokes, Nvidia got a gap to fill. Okay. You see, Nvidia looks right, not for nothing. Look at this. About to kiss. Yeah.
Yeah, I was charting that too, Cam. It's NAMI, and it looked good. INTC looks good too, bro.
Yeah. Nvidia, let me see INTC.
TSM2, all chips.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Chips looking very strong, team. So we could look at chips for sure. Let me I got other sectors. I never actually played this one, but the chart caught my attention.
Yeah.
Um,
SMH looks pretty strong. So chips.
S SMH.
Yeah, which is basically the
Yeah.
semiconductor.
ETF, yeah, SMH and SOXL, SOXL.
Okay, copy. All right. So
All right,
guys,
in here.
RTX, right? This chart look crazy right here. So we had a low zone on RTX, right? So it just started trending up. Look how it was getting sold off crazy. We got to increase volume too on Thursday and finally Friday, because I'm guessing because we had an overall bullish day on the market, it finally put in a green candle for us. Now I honestly want to take this for a swing, like a month out. I'm gonna be honest. I really like this play. I think we got in. We I wish I caught it Friday, but I think we still got time because if we get it in around this buy zone, Look how many times it bounced. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get in on Raytheon around like 89, maybe even 90, and just possibly ride it to 95 easily. So let me see. I didn't even chart this. I just looked at the chart. I was like, I put it in my notes. Okay, so and look, it's making higher pivots, guys. Look, this was the first low pivot when it was on Friday, opened up. It made another pivot over here that reclaimed the VWAP, another pivot here, and kept pushing to the upside. So this is showing a lot of strength. Let me see. Raytheon Technologies. I never even played this one, so this will be a first thing, a first ticker I'll play with you guys. I always like playing new companies and see how they pay out. All right, so I like these levels right here, team. And I'm gonna put one more. Wait, I want to put one more up here. Oh. All right. You could possibly put one more. Hold on. Yeah. Right here. The thing is, when you're making these levels, team, if you see them spaced out similar, then you're doing something right. Now, if they look out of order and too much space on the price action, then they're not good. So this looks good. So I want to get in on RTX around here, to be honest. If I get in on a bounce zone around here, I'm taking the swing and I'll do out the money 95 swing. But I definitely like Raytheon Technology. Whoa, cancel that, sorry. It looks great on the daily, team. I don't see nothing wrong here, to be honest. This is a nice area of confluence on the daily, yeah.
Yeah, great job scoping that one out. That's a gem.
Yeah, because like if we would have caught it here, bro, we would have got killed on some chop on this day. And then finally Friday would have made it. But I think now that we're seeing some type of trend change in the market, maybe we good
Yeah.
on this, like for long-term swing.
How's LMT looking if RTX is ripping or starting to? Uh-huh.
Yeah, it looks good, bro. It looks good. Yeah.
Good shit.
Yeah, good call, bro. Like, yeah, it's already building. It's like this is what I call consolidation right here on the daily. Like right here, from here, it really didn't move nowhere. Still in the same.
Yeah, I love seeing that too.
Yeah,
They're
so
they're
this is
building. They're
yeah, yeah, perfect word, bro. They building.
they're scaling in on that
Yeah.
price. Mm-hmm.
And then this looks bullish as F. We got a like head and shoulder inverse to the upside.
Volume looks good too, increasing volume.
Yeah, there's a little slight increase. But yeah, you could definitely get on LMT tomorrow. That was a good call out, bro. Yeah, that was a good one. That C play.
Nah, RTX is all you. I just call that LMT off the sympathy. So this is
Uh,
perfect, man. It's whatever you guys want to play. The contracts on LMT I'm more familiar with. I haven't played RTX, but now I'm looking forward to playing RTX over LMT. It
mm-hmm.
looks like an earlier
it-
move.
And it's respecting the bottom trend line too, bro.
Yeah. Hope y'all know, yo, when Cam draws a rectangle, it's a wrap. Like the market will oblige.
You know, this is good. This is a good setup, bro. Good eye. I actually, yo, you know what's crazy? This one shows a little bit more strength because yours is already holding strength to the upside. You see this? Mine's is a little dangerous because mine's was low. Look, RTX. You see how mine's is already at the low. It's like
I
crazy.
understand. But the
So
wicks help though. Those bottom wicks help a lot. There's demand there.
yeah. So yours looks like more promising. I literally gotta wait for my shit. Like I feel like that's my yeah, but I like both. Good shit, bro. I like Hone. I charted, sorry. I went over home today. I'm gonna just do this for you guys right here. I'm bullish on this, of course. Look at this. Beautiful inverse on the RSI. MACD. Curling semi over here. We got a nice, this is a nice buy zone on Honeywell. Look. I don't know if you guys familiar with Honeywell, but good company over here. Look at it tends to always go up here, guys. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we let me see, we got a break. Let me make sure. Let me look where it's at after hours. 1 second, see. Let me look at home. Cause I like I plot my after hour levels too. So all right, it's 191.70. So I didn't even move basically. It stood straight at close price. So all right, so this is a major resistance zone for home right here. So it could possibly, yeah, I will have to wait until it breaks. Right here, it could reject to 193. Yeah, these two zones. All right, guys. Okay, I like this one because, yeah, this is a better. Let's do it because there's a little gap up area on this zone. So I'm gonna draw one more right here. All right, so we could get the 195 course. Yeah, that'll be the safest one. Oh, on Honeywell. Yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna plot this bound zone just in case it wants to sell off the first 5 minutes and want to bounce off of either that zone, and it can even bounce off of hit the VWAP. So we're gonna plot the VWAP for Friday. All right. Yeah, so I like the 195s, like if we could get 2 weeks out just for safe measures, I'm sorry, safe measures, that would be ideal swing play for me on Honeywell, but I like this as a swing play. A lot of these that I found, I like as a swing play, not that a 1-day move. Let me see. Yeah, because I don't see this rejecting until here. So if the move is too strong tomorrow, then it's not gonna be a swing play. Like I'm expected to come down. So, but I could definitely see another green candle building to fill in this space on the price level. And then if we go there, then I'll start making levels higher to see if Honeywell wants to test the swing highs on these daily candles from maybe June. Because June it made some good highs. And then actually on August, mid-August, it went higher. So this is a nice setup for tomorrow going into the week, I'll say. Because we got strong price action on Friday, but it died off a little bit. It stood strong to the upside, but I felt like if we could have had more volume, it would have been a stronger price action to the upside. And so we got we went over RTX, Honeywell. So I'm in Amazon, right, guys? I know some of you guys in the Amazon swing with me. So we up. We up. I think I'm up like 10, 15. Let me see. I think only nothing crazy. So I'm looking at Wayfair, and yeah, I'm up 11% on that. All right, so I'm looking at Wayfair. Look at this volume on the freaking daily. Ridiculous. And it's back to back. It's consolidation. So Wayfair, what do you guys see here? You guys see what I'm seeing? This is a crazy buy zone, guys, for Wayfair. Another crazy play. So we got a higher pivot on the RSI, already broke the resistance, heading to the next level, which is 44.90-ish around there. So this is the only thing blocking it from going higher. So this midline, can I move it? No. Okay. So we already see a bullish move going with Wayfair, and this too is curling up. So I like Wayfair above. I might say 52.90 might be the face, the safe entry 50. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on, team. I want to make sure I don't get 52. I think 52 might be the good level to enter. 1 second. All right. I love charting, guys. I can draw these lines all day. Sorry. All right, so I definitely like I'm gonna say 52.50 on this. Let me see. Let me mark it down.
55 calls, you think?
For the 55s, yes. Yes, hold on. I'm trying to make sure. Hold on. Trying to see where this line is rejecting. Like I want to make sure there's not a lot of rejection where, yeah. But this is the thing. I had a feeling this is gonna open higher. I'm gonna put it, but let's see what happens tomorrow. I like 52.50 enter. I mean for calls for the 55. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this one. Let me put this. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't need that line. Okay. Yeah, around 50, 52, 55, you could do the calls on Wayfair. Like it's looking very bullish. And this usually goes with Amazon. Also it goes with eBay. eBay, eBay had a crazy move on Friday. I don't know if anybody noticed. I think I got that on my one. Yeah, I did. So look at the move eBay put on Friday, team. This is very strong. Once it breaks 40, 47.80 on this, it's going up to at least 50. So eBay definitely bounced off this rectangle. Let me see the 15. Yeah, eBay could go to 45 tomorrow at least. Yeah, I like eBay 45. I will enter eBay 40. Oh, it already went. Wait, not 45. I'm at 40s. 45.54. I will wait for the break. Let me see. Hold on. This shit. This will be. I'll put 2 weeks on this because eBay has its days that it doesn't even move and it does move. Yeah, I like the 46 2 weeks out. Because we can at least get to a 45, 90 zone before we get a nice rejection. Because this is a strong rejection zone. This is bullish days, but it did reject on that bullish day there. And this here too. And all these indicators, MACD and RSI look crazy bullish too, team. All right, so we got that one. I like this one too, team. I think, oh, safe, you was talking about this plate. I mean, this ticker not too long ago.
Yeah,
5 below, remember?
5 and Joanne.
Yeah. So 5. And look, bro, this is, I didn't even chart this. This is just from when we was talking. Look, the rectangle, it bounced straight off that. Look, the candles built right next to each other. So you know this is a strong zone. Respected the trend line over here. So 5 is showing strength. The only thing it has a strong rejection around 137. Wait, I'm sorry, this is not.
I think it's the wrong 5.
Yeah,
Right?
bro, I'm bugging out. Don't tell
You're
me
good. You're good. Sure,
I
sure.
charted
There
the
you go.
wrong one.
Yeah, that looks even more bullish. Yeah.
I charged the wrong one. Alright. So it's got a green candle on resistance too. It looks like it's gonna get ready to go. Remember, I always extend my trend lines because that's what I use as guidance whenever the daily candles decide to go there. All right, so then we kind of lay on 5. Let me see. But it's still strong. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles. I think I might just play the rejection. I think that's a safer play. Let me see. Because once it breaks this trend line, 5 could definitely try to go. Since I messed up and charted the wrong 5, um, I'm doing this for you guys right in front of you. I apologize. 1 second. All right. So I think spot 5 is gonna come down and bounce off a 135 zone. Cause this is still bullish as F. This already crossed. It's not even going towards the downside. This is showing strength to the upside, crazy. So I'm gonna stay on the upside on 5. I'm not gonna be bearish. Cause right now I feel like it's messing with this price action, which is a nice area of confluence. It's a lot of indecision going on here. So tomorrow, I do like the bounce zone on. Either we go down here. Yeah, I'll say if we could bounce off of 135, it would be great. Let me draw this too wide. 1 second. That's how. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I got 2 areas. I'll say like 137, 137, or at least 135. Because we already got 1, 2, 3. I don't know if we're gonna get another candle. We possibly could. Some of these things run for 7 days, like green candles. They're just obviously not all the same size, but I'm not bearish on 5. I'm definitely bullish. So let me dissect it on the 15th for you guys. 1 second. All right. So this is look, this is a resistance turn. This is the resistance, and look, it turned to support and it went on the upside on Friday. So draw a line right here because that indicates that was an important zone. So that could be another bound zone for tomorrow, 140 team. And now if it breaks the 140, I think we go down. Yeah. To the next bound zone. I put like a 3-star on this plate because it already had a lot of daily green candles, and I didn't even realize until now. Trying in front of you guys. Let me go over another one. Oh, Beyond look crazy. Beyond Meat.
Yeah, I had Beyond on my watch list too.
Yeah. Great minds stick alike, brother. Yeah, this joint look like it's ready to pull a nice move to the upside, and I felt like it didn't even do nothing on Friday. And yeah, look, if I would have extended my rectangle, it's already approaching. So this would be my entry tomorrow. So big watch on. You got a level on that, Nami?
Man, I didn't chart it out yet. Just
All
had
right.
to just look at the weekly and daily
Yeah,
and monthly.
caught your attention, right? I feel you.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, so all right, so we gonna try this out together, brother. 1 second. Yeah, I like this. Put this. Okay, so we could get on beyond to try to get this price. Like it's a lot of. Okay, I knew I had a thing. There we go. All right. So I'll say like 23. Well, depending where we at tomorrow, it could definitely reject 2287. I'll say 2320. Let me see how 2320. If it's too risky. No, 2320 looks okay. Let me stretch it out on the time frame. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I like 2320. You could get, I think they go by their options is by 50 cents. Let me double check. See. Trying to see what price strike what I get. Come on. All right, let me go to another brokerage. My Robin has opening up. Weeble.
Yeah, I'm on the hood. It's every 50 cents.
Every 50 cents. Thank you for
Yep.
verifying. My shit was freezing.
No worries, bro.
Yeah, so 2350 is definitely doable. Definitely.
Nice.
Yeah, and it could possibly go in the money too. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I like 23, 20 entry for 23.5s. Weeklies, because I feel like it's gonna have a strong move. Because guys, this thing is definitely oversold crazy here. Like, and look at the pivot it did on a double bottom move. So I feel like we could possibly go maybe back to this zone on the higher side. It's already showing strength. Futures are green. Now, if the futures push it higher than that, then you're gonna have to cancel that and try new levels. But I'm bullish on Beyond Meat for sure this week.
Yeah, the bullish divergence on the weekly too looks really good on both
Mm-hmm.
the RSI and the MACD.
Yeah,
Good
yep.
play, man.
We got where I got one. Oh, I got about two more. And then I'm gonna tell you guys about this challenge, man. I'm excited about. Okay. Oh, this one. So we caught Doku, right? I think Doku sold off and it's making an entry for us. Let me show you guys what I saw. After the ER, oh, sorry about that. Hold on. Okay, so after Doku's ER, them son of a guns sold off on us. We still took profit though. I wasn't even mad. But what happened? It sold off, but it wasn't no heavy selling. It didn't even go back to the prior day's price action levels. It basically consolidated the whole day and reclaimed VWAP. Now, ideally, I would have wanted to catch Doku right here once it reclaimed VWAP, because now it's giving opportunity to reach to the upside, at least back to 60 to 68 zone, because we did see it go as far as 68 on day of ER. So I want to get the Doku bounce. So that's what I'm definitely looking for tomorrow. If we could get Doku bounce around 63 or maybe 64, I'll definitely like look into hopping into Doku for the bounce plays. But Friday was the day, man. I really would have wished I would have caught it on Friday for you guys. Is that once I take profits on the play, I never really look back. I'll look back like a day or two later, but not that same day, because you might jump in the play again and then you give back all the gains you made on that play on that ticket. You'll be upset, trust me. So Doku 60. So I'm gonna mark two levels. I'm gonna say 63-60 and 62. We're gonna watch those two bounce zones on Doku sign tomorrow. Let me see how it looks on this. Hold on. Yeah, look, it still looks strong as hell. Look. And this too is about to kiss the MACD. So that's why I still like it. And and look, this was a rec daily candle. So we didn't even get the green daily candle. So that's why tomorrow it could provide us with the green one and we could ride it higher. Hopefully we could ride it higher. Maybe we can go up here. But I like Doku. Doku's a good play to watch. Especially now that I noticed a red daily candle. These I'm not too fond of, but I'm gonna go over them just because I saw the move they made on Friday. So I think I put Veru on the chart. Like I think I mentioned in the chat. Like I pulled up the AI bot chart, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not too sure, but anyways, this thing made a move on Friday on us team like crazy, along with Sava. The same thing. I don't know what's going on with Veru or Sava, but they've been moving heavy lately. So tomorrow, I'm watching Veru heavy above. I'll be patient. I'll wait till it clears. I'll wait till we get to 17. So on Veru, I'll be patient. Nah, forget the patience. Hold on. I didn't see this over here. Hold on. 16 look right. 16 could definitely be a play on Veru. 1 second team. Let me look at this. Okay, so there's rejection zones around 1690. I'll wait until 17, to be honest. 16, you could pray on 16, but there's risk you get rejected hard around 1670. But I like Vero to the upside. This is bullish. It's already crossed. Friday was the best entry. And this is curling too, is it? Yep, it's curling up. It's nice bounce, nice area. MACD's bounces, kind of duplicating what's happening over here. So yeah, just wait till. I mean, yeah, I'll wait till 17. You got to break and hold 17 tomorrow, Viru. So Sava was giving me the same type of impression, team. The only thing about Sava, we already got multiple daily green candles, but it still looks strong, team. Very strong. We call Sava this week too. Yeah, so I feel like it's gonna enter overbought zone. I don't feel like it's gonna reject right away. I feel like it's probably gonna dance there maybe a day or two and then come down. Cause look at this. Let's draw this line on this rejection on this overbought zone right here. We could draw. Remember, guys, you don't only draw this on the candles. You gotta draw this everywhere. You apply this. You apply technical analysis skills to everything, the MACD, the RSI, everything. Look, it's pushing up. Look, you see a lot of strength. So I would have put a line of resistance on the MACD here. And look, it broke it already. So yeah, I like Sava a lot. And ER is coming up. When is this? Never mind. November? Never mind. So I don't. 1 second. So entry. Friday's highs were around 33.50 or so. Okay. So you know how the volume is on Vero. It has a lot of price action to the upside once we get the volume pumping on Vero. I mean, I'm sorry, Sava. So I would day trade it. I wouldn't even not looking. Vero is more of a swing than this one because this was already approaching the overbought zone on the RSI. So I wouldn't even try to swing Sava. I'll just try to catch the day trade. I'm looking at my iPad to see how it looks on the. So we got trying to see if we could revisit this area over here. Yeah, we got another line over here. Price level, okay. So yeah, Vero could reject 34.60 before it could definitely go to 35. So wait until 35. I'll say 35.15. Sounds feasible. Yeah. Yeah, I'll say 35.15 on Sava if you want it. You could take it. And I think they do it's only it's $1 increments, the strike prices. So you will have to take the either you want to be safe, you could take the in the money 35s, or you could take the 36s. If you do take 36, I would do next week just because it could sell off real quick. All right, team. Let me see. I got anything else? No. I was looking at China. I'll give y'all my opinion on China. So China right now, right? Baba. It looks like it could go. It's just the only thing that's bothering me is that these green candles are weak as hell. I would want them to be stronger, but I don't think I'm on. I'll see how China's moving tomorrow, but and then I think they're still dealing with COVID restrictions, so I'll watch it for you guys, but I'm not bullish just yet. I really wanted these candles to be a little stronger because right now it could easily go straight up to 90. I'll say like 95 and then reject. Come right back down. So 95 is a rejection zone for me and Baba. So let me see how Futu looks. Futu looks okay. Futu looks okay. It's a little heavy consolidation here. It's trading within a channel. It's not even really moving out of the freaking 50 zone between 50 and 44. It hasn't been. So I'm 50-50 on that. I just gotta see how it moves tomorrow because they always got some crazy news, either new lockdowns or so I'll see. Let's look at BTC because I know the market likes to follow Bitcoin now. Okay, so
Yeah,
Bitcoin.
BTC USD, big bro,
Oh, thank you.
for sure. And USD after that.
Where the hell is it? Wait, BTC USD.
Yeah, all together.
Oh, yeah, I gotta write it.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, understood, brother. All right. So this one right here.
For sure.
This correct, right? This one?
Bingo.
All right. That's crazy. That last chart looked exactly the same except for the volume. It looked retarded.
Right. Divided by like 500.
Yeah. So yeah, so BTC looks bullish. So you just gotta be very cautious. Tomorrow, once it approaches 23, yeah, I'll say 23. Because this is where it sold off crazy. Yeah. Let me look at coin now that we're talking about this. 1 second, bro.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
it's still-
my alert. Yeah.
go ahead, Nami.
Oh yeah, I just had coin on my alert. So
Yeah, gap
yeah,
filled and
60.
everything crazy. Yeah. 80, yeah, I was just watch coin around 87. That's the zone that it needs to reclaim and break to see more room to the upside. Yeah, to at least go to the 90s. Yeah, but it looks great. It looks really good. It gap. This was a little gap right here in this zone. Yeah,
It looks
it's
like it's in a
filling.
gap right now, right?
Yeah. Exactly. It's in the gap right now. It filled it. So yeah, it looks good. So BTC coin, yeah, market looks very green tomorrow. All right, guys. So a big announcement I wanted to make. First off, I'm pay homage to Steve because he brought this challenge to my attention. You could chime in whenever you want, bro, but I want to show you guys basically the mission that we're gonna try to accomplish in the coming weeks. So we're gonna start this account with 500, right? He wants, what is this, like what, 15-20% daily or weekly, sorry?
So 8% daily, 40% weekly cumulative goal by Friday. So 8% times 5 days a week. So you have to complete 8% of your portfolio on a daily basis. That is more than feasible, as every single one of us have hit over a 50% play to 100% play. Obviously, you're only risking a portion of your account, but when you start small, you can hit $40 a day, 5 days a week, in order to end the week starting Monday 500, ending Friday with 700.
700.
All that 700 into week 2, and the goal by Friday of the next week will be to end with 980. Now, you don't have to make $40 a day. Some days you're gonna hit $80. Some days you might hit negative. So it's all about fulfilling that.
Yeah. But it's very doable, guys, like, cause it's $40 in week 1, like for real. We do that with our eyes closed, basically. So the thing is with this, the only risk that's gonna come is once we get bigger on the money, because we're gonna have to put on size. So I want to guide everybody through this. I'm looking forward to doing it. This is gonna require, I never even did something like this, but when he put it in front of my eyes, I was like, hell no, I gotta do this shit. Like this is definitely doable, and like, and I want to do this with you guys. So this is gonna be a new challenge. I'm gonna add it in the channel. I'll put this chart, this Excel sheet in the channel so everybody could get a gist of where the thought is. But we're gonna start. We honestly, he wanted to start this a week prior, and I wish we did, because we did an incredible week this week. So we're gonna start off fresh this week since we got a whole full week of trading. So we're gonna try to take that to our advantage. And yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to doing this. So I'm strictly probably only gonna be focusing on this goal, and I'll trade on the $100 account that I have, that I think it's about 140 in it. I'll try to just grow those 2 accounts to help everybody basically grow their account at a standard rate, because I know a lot of people have $100 in their account at least. Like that's not big money. Or and 500, I think is doable instead of 1K challenge. I don't know where people are in the 1K challenge, but that challenge I feel like got boring. I want to do this one, honestly. I feel like this one's more entertaining, especially where he got it laid out with each week, each amount. He got it down to the T. Like it's very detail oriented. So thank you, bro. I appreciate this challenge, and I'm looking forward to basically accomplishing this with you guys. And if we do this
Absolutely.
together, this will be legendary.
Big thanks to Cadillac Jack, to be real, because he's the one that initially like set up a whole like, hey, compounding and snowballing, and all you have to do is 10% of your account on a weekly basis if feasible, and then up to the 40%. And I saw the numbers were more than feasible because of what we have been doing for the last 8 weeks or 7 weeks. I'm sorry, because the first 2 weeks were free and we killed it. I mean, we all funded our account for the chat, right? So in advance during the free week. So it's plays after plays every day. As long as you manage your risk, the biggest difference is I know certain people have a daily earn goal in their mind, right? But like, we're going to respect the market, especially if we're able to get above the 50-day, like this is going to be a great advantage to us. We play whatever the market deals us, or whatever hand it deals us. But starting around week 10 or 11, y'all, if you see your daily goal is to make 8 to 11, that's when you're not taking 1 to 5 contracts anymore. That's probably when you're going 7 to 10 and putting on more risk in the same 8+ setups. So that's it.
Yeah. Thank you, Cadillac. Thank you. I didn't know that.
Are you gonna have these like, so if you're working on this challenge and we're working it with you, are you gonna have your own channel when you call it these plays?
Yeah,
or-
yeah. I'm gonna add the channel, and this is the challenge where I'm gonna be very specific on my size too, because we're all trying to get to the same goal. So I'm gonna name it the 500 to 100K challenge channel, and that will be the channel where I will post all these plays that I'm in with the size as well.
Okay, cool, with the size, yeah, because that way we know if we should go, you
Yeah.
know. 'Cause
Yeah,
with 500, it's hard
Yeah.
to tell. Yeah.
no, yeah, of course. I was definitely telling Steve that I was like, no, this I gotta go size and tell them which size because they're trying to hit the numbers I'm hitting.
Yes, sir.
All right. So
Bro,
man,
this is
I'm
so
excited.
exciting. So exciting, bro. So exciting.
Yeah, this is fire.
Really.
I'm
If
excited.
we can even get to half of this, bro, that's gonna be a good Christmas, straight up.
Oh,
Yeah.
that I love where your mind is at. So I'm letting everybody know, right? This is the whole idea behind this is to aim for the stars, right? And if you ever fail from aiming for the stars, you could still land on the clouds. So fucking moon me, bruh.
Let's do it, bro.
Let's do it,
That's the
man.
point,
Let's
bro.
do
As
it.
as long as whatever number you at by wherever you at is higher than where you started, hey,
Hey,
we
yep.
take those. We take
Yep.
those.
Everybody needs to remember the only amount you can ever lose in this challenge is $500 of your own money. If you could flip $500 to $1,000 by the end of week 16, guess what? You 100%ed your money. So
Yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm definitely excited, guys. I'm trying to make this a very great Christmas for everyone.
absolutely.
All right,
Hey,
man.
thank you so much, guys.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you,
Thank you.
man. Thanks, Cadillac, too, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Y'all have a what up, Tone? Yo, y'all have a blessed night, man. Talk to y'all in the morning. Looking forward for the market tomorrow, man. Let's kill it.
Quick question, Cam.
Thank you, Cam, bro. Appreciate
When
that.
would this start?
Tomorrow, bro.
Okay.
Are you gonna be live trading Zoom tomorrow, Cam?
Tomorrow? I'm gonna try to live trade for y'all. I'm definitely gonna do it this week, at least once or twice. I got y'all for sure. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know in the morning for sure.
Bet. Thank you.
All right. Have a blessed night, everyone. Be easy.
All
Man.
right, good night, Cam. Appreciate you, bro.
Thanks.
All right.
Hey.